Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Chromebook supports Linux apps and virtualization. This is why you check model specs and update Chrome OS. Once done, enable Linux Beta or developer mode in settings and accept file system changes. Make sure to back up critical files so you can recover if something goes wrong. Also allocate sufficient storage and memory in advance. VMs need room. After these steps, you're ready to install the VM Manager without delay. You now install the VM Manager inside Linux Beta using apt or the manager's installer. This is how the host runs guests. Then download the guest OS ISO and create a VM, assigning CPU cores, RAM, and disk size based on your use case. Make sure to configure networking for internet access and set up shared folders so files transfer easily. Finally, tweak display and input pass-through settings so the VM feels responsive when you boot it for the first time. You boot the VM and immediately install guest tools or additions to enable clipboard, display scaling, and file sharing. This improves performance and usability. Once installed, run full system updates inside the guest. If performance lags, increase RAM or enable 3D acceleration and shrink background services. If something fails, check the VM Manager and system logs, verify network settings, and reset or recreate the VM as a last resort.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.